During the cyber boom of the 1990s, many schools, universities, and training institutions decided they would put their course materials online and call these materials e-courses or online courses. They hoped that by simply putting their course materials on the internet, they would be able to offer courses to students from around the world and enroll more students. However, many of these courses were basically just the same as books or lecture notes. They gave students something to read, but they did not take advantage of what made the internet special: its opportunities for communication between students and teachers, and its rich multimedia of sound, images, and text. As a result, courses like these failed to capture students' interests. People got tired of just reading long documents, and students wanted to be able to contact each other and their teachers. In response, educators began to think more carefully about how the internet could be used in teaching and learning. They began to realize that the greatest educational benefit of e-learning was its potential to actively engage students. For example, in this course on marketing, students can access more than just some course notes. With a click of a mouse, students can see real-world examples of marketing in action. They can access real corporate sites and use them as case studies. View film and television advertisements. Visit newspapers around the world to see advertisements from different cultures. And visit the latest journals, blogs, or industry websites. E-educators have also realized that online communication technologies are best used for connecting students with each other and with their teachers. For example, at the Open University of Hong Kong, students studying distance education courses can use email, discussion boards, and web meetings to talk to their classmates and tutors. In this course, students may be at home, at work, or even traveling overseas, but they can discuss their work with their teacher and their classmates. Another big advantage of online communication is that students and teachers don't have to be online at the same time for a lively discussion to take place. In this course, learners communicate with each other and with their teacher via a discussion board. Members of the discussion post their ideas on the discussion board, and the replies are connected or threaded into topic conferences. This kind of communication is extremely convenient because anyone in the course can add their ideas anytime, from anywhere, and one person doesn't dominate the discussion. Unlike a face-to-face discussion where we often forget what each person said, everyone's comments are recorded and stored and are there for later reference. E-learning is also used by companies and institutions for just-in-time and in-house training. Learners can log on to a training site at any time to upgrade their on-the-job skills. They do not have to wait for formal training sessions or teacher-led learning. As you can see, e-learning can literally bring the world into your home. And unlike just surfing the web, e-learning allows learners to connect to other learners, to teachers, to experts in a field, and to specialist information, libraries, and databases. What special requirements do e-learners need? To become e-learners, students obviously need access to a computer and an internet connection. E-learners also have to know the basics about navigating websites and using communication tools such as email and discussion boards. But since Hong Kong has the highest rate of internet use in Asia, and many people frequently surf the net, many people already have these skills. Many e-learning providers also offer students special training in e-learning skills such as data mining. What are the benefits of e-learning? To find out the benefits of e-learning, we spoke to a student, a professor, a business person, and a company employee.
E-learning is really convenient because it lets me access to my study materials at any time. I don't have to travel to classes or tutorials at a particular time. Instead, I can interact with my teachers and classmates whenever I want to, which is really good.
E-learning makes learning a more social and shared experience. Even though students don't meet each other face-to-face very often, they can exchange ideas and learn from each other online.
Hong Kong is an international trading and finance center, and my employees need to be able to communicate online with people from around the world. I need graduates who are computer literate and who can use their research and analysis skills to find useful and usable information quickly. These sorts of skills keep our company competitive.
As part of my job, I need to improve my language skills. I don't always have the time to attend regular face-to-face classes, so I use my organization's e-learning site to upgrade my language skills. The great things about e-learning is that I can learn what I need when I need it. That is true just-in-time learning.
This program has looked at the growing field of e-learning. As the world's economy becomes more globalized and societies become more interconnected, it's inevitable that education will also become increasingly wired. The strength of using the internet for e-learning is its ability to bring rich multimedia to students, its rich interactivity, and its potential for connecting students and teachers who would otherwise be working in isolation. If you'd like to see some examples of how this can happen, use the internet itself to do some more research and visit some leading e-learning institutions.